Welcome to LumenSoft video tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to search for saved invoices in the system. First of all, we will select Sale and Return item from the Shop Activities menu. As you can see that the navigation buttons for browsing invoices are present in the toolbar below. If you click this button, this loads the last saved invoice on the screen. This is the invoice number that is created from this point of sale. By clicking the first and last buttons, the invoices only created through this point of sale will load on the screen. This is the next button and this is the previous button. If you click the first button and then click the next button, you can browse to the succeeding invoice and so on. After viewing the last invoice through the last button, when you click back, then you can browse the invoices created from backwards. As a security measure, you can restrict the point of sale cashier to search for invoices up to a certain point. For example, the cashier can view up to 5 last created invoices and nothing beyond. For this, from the Configuration menu, select System Configuration. Now select the Sales Purchase tab. From here, type the count up to which you want to restrict the search in the Invoice Navigation Count on Non-Replicated Shop field. Here, in this field box, we will type 5. Now save the configuration. On navigating back to the Sale and Return screen, you will notice that on clicking first button, the system is displaying the 26th invoice. And the search will only go up to the 30th invoice and not any beyond. This is the way of browsing records through navigation buttons. If you want to search for any specific invoice, then click on the Search Invoice button. This launches the search screen. There are two methods for searching the invoices. First method is to search for a specific invoice by typing the ID in the Sale ID field. The respective invoices load in the grid. Double-click the invoice to view its attributes in the Sale and Return screen. Apart from this, you can also make some different kinds of searches. For example, In order to search for invoices created in 1 year, select the date range within a year and click Search. Double-click on any of the invoices to view its attributes in the Sale and Return screen. Notice that on selecting any of the invoices retrieved through the search, this invoice as well as all the searched invoices are loaded in the system memory. So now when you use the navigation buttons present in the Sale and Return screen to browse for invoices, the invoices from 19 onwards are displayed on the screen. This search is for some peculiar search. This is because the system has searched for a particular point of sale. However, if you want to search for all points of sales that are present in the system, then select the All POS checkbox and click Search. This retrieves results against point of sales for the specified criteria. This search is also helpful in figuring out the total amount of sale made through the net total column in the grid. Similarly, on loading any invoice in the Sale and Return screen, the rest of the invoices that are part of the search result are also loaded in the system memory. You can view these invoices through the navigation buttons. Also notice that the restriction set on the cashier for viewing invoices only up to a certain count is now no longer applicable. This tutorial has introduced you to the navigation buttons for browsing invoices as well as searching for any particular invoice. You can refer to other tutorials for various features of Sale and Return screen. Thank you for your attention.